Hi, my name is Jed Barnett, and I'm a junior at Union High School in Camas, Washington, a part of the 2010 recruiting class. This year, my football team made it to the state finals, placing second in state and capturing the league title. I hope you enjoy this DVD.
Jed Barnett is one of the most skilled kickers slash punters that I've ever been associated with, and I've had the good fortune to have a number of kids that were very talented in that arena. Jed has great leg strength. He's a tireless worker, spends a lot of his own time throughout the season and during the off season really kind of perfecting his craft. He's really a technician when it comes to his trade and is continually refining what he does. But I think the one thing to me that separates him from a lot of kids that I have coached that are kickers and punters that don't play anywhere else on the field is that Jed truly makes an effort to be a part of the team. As an example, if we're doing a team tackling drill, he's always the first guy in line, wants to fully participate in every way that he possibly can. Our kids really believe in him. I think that that is a testament to his work ethic, and they know that he's focused, that you know, if they battle all game long and it comes down to a kick from him, that we have a great deal of confidence in him. I think he would make a great addition to any college program.
Jed Barnett, it's a big part of our program here at Union High School. One of the three aspects about Jed that he does well for us here. One of those is his work ethic. He works really hard, not just on the field but off the field. He's always looking at opportunity for him to get into camps, try to further his skill there. Also, his character holds a lot of value. He plays a big part of our program here in leadership as a captain too. In the classroom, he has a 3.5 and above. Me also as a special teams coach and also as his guidance counselor, he maintains and takes AP classes and continues to work hard in the classroom. So that's a great value to Jed. The other thing I like to say, he's very coachable. When asked to do anything we ask him to do, he will do it. He'll listen, he'll take advice and actually apply the advice to what he's doing. He's always actually the first one out to practice to actually better himself or ask for improvement. Other than that, he does a great job overall. In the future, he'll be a great resource to any program.